Good morning students. Today onwards we are going to start the revision classes. Today we can see lesson 1 5-mark problems. All the problems I cannot give within one day. So first I am explaining some important concepts. End of this video I will give all the important problems from lesson 1. You try that, okay? So now we can start the first problem. It's A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and B equal to 2, 5, 8, 11, 14. B two sets are given A and B. So first you have to write the given sets. Given A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, next one more set is given, that is B. B equal to 2, 5, 8, 11, 14. Okay. So next you continuously read the question. Let's F from the function is from A to B. Be a function given by f of x equal to 3x minus 1. So f of x means that is range. Okay. Represent this function by, we want to form arrow diagram. Next in a table form. Next as a set of ordered pairs in a graphical form. So okay, arrow diagram, table, set of ordered pairs, graph we want to form means we need the value of f of x. So first we can find the value of f of x. In x we have to substitute the elements from A. So 1, 2, 3, 4, one by one we have to substitute. Okay. So first f of x I am writing f of x equal to 3x minus 1. Okay. Then when x equal to 1, so value of elements of A you see 1, 2, 3, 4. This elements only we are going to substitute there. First I am going to substitute x equal to 1. So instead of x I am applying 1. So when x equal to 1, which implies f of 1 equal to. So you see the f of x is 3x minus 1. So instead of x we want to apply 1. So 3 into 1 minus 1 equal to 3 into 1 is 3. So 3 minus 1 equal to 2. Okay, clear? Next what you have to find? Next element 2f of 2. So without writing then x equal to 1, x equal to 2. So we can find the f of x value. You see? So I am going to write shortly f of 2 equal to. So that is then x equal to 2. So you substitute here 3 into 2 minus 1. 3 2s are 6. So 6 minus 1 equal to 5. Okay. Next. You want to find value of f of 3. So when x equal to 3, f of 3 equal to, again you have to use the same condition, f of x equal to 3x minus 1. Instead of x you have to apply 3. So 3 into 3 minus 1. Okay, 3 into 3 is 3 3s are 9. We know also 3 3s are 9. So okay, you can write here f of 3 equal to 9 minus 1. 9 minus 1 is 8. So okay, next value is f of 4. So f of 4 equal to, so when x equal to 4, f of 4 equal to 3 into, instead of x you want to apply 4. So 3 into 4 minus 1. 3 4s are 12 minus 1 equal to 11. Okay, are you clear? So now we got all the f of x values. Now we can form one by one. First subdivision is arrow diagram. So first one, arrow diagram. Okay, so very simple problem. Okay. So first you have to write A here. Next here B. Actually in your question they given f from A to B. So you have to write f here. Okay. So elements of A are 1, 2, 3, 4. Next elements of B are 2, 5, 8, 11, 14. Okay. Now you see the value. When x equal to 1, we got 2. So when x, this is the value of x. When x equal to 1, we got f of 1 value is 2. So arrow. Okay, first arrow. Next one. When x equal to 2, f of 2 value is 5. So when x equal to 2, f of 2 is 5. Next third one is when x equal to 3, so value of f of 3 is 8. So 3 here 8. Okay, next one when x equal to 4, value of f of 4 is 11. So 4 to 11. Okay, that's that. This is arrow diagram. Next second subdivisions, we are going to form a table. For table, first row you have to mention x, in second row you have to write f of x. Okay, don't forget x, f of x. You know the value of x. What are the elements in x? So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Then f of x value. If x equal to 1, f of 1 value is 2. So you can write 2 here. 2. Let's say f of 2 value. F of 2 value is 5. Next one, f of 3 value. See here, f of 3 is 8. Then f of 4 is 11. That's all. This is the table. Okay, are we clear about arrow diagram and table? Let's third subdivision or star subdivision. It is set of ordered pairs. Third one is set of ordered pairs. So third subdivision is set of ordered pairs. Okay, we can see set of ordered pairs means f. Okay, so f equal to same. You see the table and say the elements. When x equal to 1, f of x equal to. So you can say 1, 2. So first pair is 1, 2. Next second pair is 2, 5. Okay, next third pair is 3, 8. Next fourth pair is 4, 11. Okay, that's all. This is set of ordered pairs. Okay, next last one is, so you want to draw the graph. So graph also very easy. Before drawing the graph, you see the maximum value of x. Here maximum value is 4. So maximum value of f of x is 11. So according to that, we have to plot the points. So we have to mention the x and y axis. X axis, y. Let's check here. Okay. See x, y. Next center is 0. Left hand side is x dash. So down y dash. Okay. Then we need in x maximum 4. So I am going to write up to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's the exact. So in y axis, I need maximum 11. So up to 11 I am going to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Otherwise 2 units you can take. If you don't have place means you can take 2 units. Okay. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Okay. So in between 0 and 2 is 1. In between 2 and 4 is 3. Okay. So first point is 1. When x equal to 1, otherwise you see here set of ordered pairs. X को 1 ना y की 2. So when x equal to 1, value of y is 2. So you have to write 1, 2. Okay, next when x equal to 2, value of y is 5. So 5 means in between 4 and 6. So okay, 2, 5. Okay. Next when x equal to 3, value of y is 8. So 3 की 8. Okay, 3, 8. Okay, next when x equal to 4, value of y is 11. So 11 means in between 10 and 12. So 4 to 11. So okay, this is the answer. Okay, first we want to find the value of f of x one by one. Next you have to form the arrow diagram, table, set of ordered pairs, graph. So don't forget in the arrow diagram you have to mention A, B. B means all the elements you want to write. Okay, then F. So you have to mark the arrow. Let's say table. Table means x, f of x. Okay, so x order value, f of x order value. Next set of ordered pairs means f. Okay, f equal to. So pair, in pair you have to write Next graph x-axis, y-axis. Center is 0, then x dash, y dash, then you have to plot the points. So I think you are clear about this. Next problem you can see. Let's A equal to the set of all natural numbers less than h, comma B equal to the set of all prime numbers less than h, comma C equal to the set of even prime number C1 prime number. So you want to verify. So verify that A cross B minus C equal to A cross B minus A cross C. Okay. So very simple problem. I think everyone knows this problem. Here it's A equal to. So first you have to write this set. That is important. So what is given? A equal to set of all natural numbers less than 8. So you want to know, so natural numbers starting from 1. Okay, natural numbers starting from 1. So set A is A equal to, you have to start from 1 but less than 8. So up to 7. 1, comma, 2, comma, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is set A. Okay, then second one, the set of all prime numbers less than 8. So prime numbers means a number which is divisible by 1 times itself is called prime number. Okay. So 1 is neither prime nor composite. From 2 we can start. Okay. First B equal to. So 2 is a prime number because it is divisible by 1 and 2. Next 3. 3 is a prime number. 3 also divisible by 1 and 3. Okay. Next 4 is not a prime number. Next 5. 5 is a prime number. Next 6. 6 is not a prime number because it is divisible by 2 and 3. Next is 7. 7 is a prime number. We need less than 8. So up to 7. 2, 3, 5, 7. Okay. Then C. C equal to the set of even prime number. So even prime number, only one number, that is 2. Okay. So next see the question. Verify that A cross B minus C equal to A cross B minus A cross C. So you know about that Cartesian product, isn't it? Cross product you know. So, but here you see inside the brackets B minus. Here only some of it confusing. That's why I selected this question. Union intersection you are doing. Union means you have to take all the elements. Intersection means you have to take common element. But difference means you are confusing. That's why I have selected this question. So first what you want to find? B minus C. So B minus C equal to. First you have to write this set B. Here set B is 2, 3, 5, 7 minus. Next C. C is 2. So B minus C. B difference C. You have to subtract C from B. So that's that. So what are the elements in C? 2. So if it is the 2 is in B, you eliminate that 2. Okay. So 2 is in B. So I am eliminating, subtracting. So 2 cancel. Remaining what are the elements in B? That is the answer. What are the elements? 3, 5, 7. Okay, that's all. This is B minus C. This is what you want to find. A cross B minus C. So A cross B minus C 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's what you want to do. So one symbol is there. Cross. Next elements say B minus C. 3, 5, 7. Okay, now we can do I think. First 1 comma 3. Next 1 comma 5. Next 1 comma 7. Shall we write 1 comma 3 first element. Second one is 1 comma 5. So I write 1 comma 5. Next third one is 1 comma 7. So 1 comma 7. Let's say the second element. Here second element is 2. Again you multiply 2 comma 3. Let's say 2 comma 5. Let's see next element is 2 comma 7. Next one 3. 3 comma 3. Let's say 3 comma 5. Next one is 3 comma 7. Next remove next element. Next element is 4. 4 comma 3. Let's say 4 comma 5. Let's say 4 comma 7. 5 comma 3. 5 comma 5. So you can say, let's say 5 comma 7. 6 comma 3. Let's say 6 comma 5. Let's say 6 comma 7. Next one is 7 comma 3, 7 comma 5, 7 comma 7. Arrange. So 7 comma 3, 7 comma 5, 7 comma 7. So okay, how many pairs you got? You see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. You can check. You see number of elements in A is 7. Number of elements in B minus C is 3. You multiply 7 3 is 21. Okay, correct. We got correct answer. Okay. Next you have to find right hand side. This is equation 1. Equation 1. We have completed the left hand side. Next we have to find the right hand side. In right hand side, what are the terms? A cross B minus A cross C. So first you have to find A cross B. So A cross B equal to. So first in A, what are the elements? 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 5 6 7. Cross in B 2 3 5 7. So 2 comma 3 comma 5 comma 7. Okay, now you find the cross products. 1 comma 2. Listen. 1 comma 3. 1 comma 5. 1 comma 7. Okay, are you clear? Next you can say 2 comma 2. 2 comma 3. 2 comma 5. 2 comma 7. Now you can continuously say next one 3 comma 2, 3 comma 3, 3 comma 5, 3 comma 7. Next one 4 comma 2, 4 comma 3, 4 comma 5, 4 comma 7. Next one 5. So 5 comma 2, 5 comma 3, 5 comma 5, 5 comma 7. Next element is 6. So I multiply 6 comma 2, 6 comma 3, 6 comma 5, 6 comma 7. Next last one is 7. So calculation somewhat lengthy but easy problem. Okay, 7 comma 2, 7 comma 3, 7 comma 5, 7 comma 7. Okay, we completed A cross B. Next, what do you want to find? A cross C. Okay, A cross C equal to. So, what are the elements in A? So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. only 2. Okay. Now we multiply 1 comma 2. Listen. 2 comma 2. 3 comma 2. 4 comma 2. 5 comma 2. 6 comma 2. 7 comma 2. Okay. Over. So now, so finally we want to find A minus. So A cross B minus A cross C. So already I explained about the minus difference. So you subtract A cross C from A cross B. So if any element is common, means you leave it. 1 comma 2. So you see here also have 1 comma 2. So we can leave that. Next 1 comma 3. 1 comma 3 is not here. So we take 1 comma 3. Next one. 1 comma 5. You can take 1 comma 5. Next 1 comma 7. 2 comma 2. 2 comma 2 is here. So you should not take. Next one. 2 comma 3. Next 2 comma 5. 2 comma 7. Next third one. 3 comma 2. 3 comma 2 is here. So you leave it. Remaining 3 comma 3. Next 3 comma 5. 3 comma 7. Next 4 comma 2 is there. So leave it. Next one 4 comma 3, 4 comma 5, 4 comma 7. Next 5 comma 2, 5 comma 2 is common. So you leave it. So remaining 5 comma 3, 5 comma 5, 5 comma 7. So 6 comma 2 also common. You leave it. 6 comma 3, 6 comma 5. 6 comma 7. Next one 7 comma 2. You leave it 7 comma 2 remaining. So what are the elements? 7 comma 3, 7 comma 5, 7 comma 7. So, okay. So here also we counted pairs. We got total 21 pairs. So we check the element also whether it is equal. Actually it is equal. So we can say from 1 and 2, from 1 and 2, A cross B minus C equal to A cross B minus A cross C. That's all. Okay. Okay. Shall we start next problem? One third problem. Let f be a function f from n to n be defined by f of x equal to 3x plus 2 comma x belongs to n. So here three subdivisions. First subdivision is find the image of 1 comma 2 comma 3. Okay. Let's say second subdivision is find the pre-images of 29 comma 53. Okay, next third one. Identify the type of function. Identify the type of function. Okay, so we can do simple problem, important 5 mark. Okay. See here, let f be a function f from n to n. N to n is natural numbers. So domain natural number, codomain also natural number. So natural number starting from 1. So n means 1, 2, 3, etc. Okay. So be defined by f of x1 one f of x is given. So first we are writing that f of x. So f of x equal to 3x plus 2. Okay, next x belongs to natural number. Find the image of 1, 2, 3. So what's the meaning of that? When x equal to 1, you want to find f of 1. When x equal to 2, you have to find f of 2. When x equal to 3, you have to find f of 3. So what are the values you are getting? That is the image of 1, 2 and 3. Shall we find first f of 1? So f of 1 equal to, so when x equal to 1, value of f of 1 is here 3 into, instead of x you want to say now 1 plus 2. 3 into 1 is 3. So 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2 means 5. Okay. Next f of next image is so 2. So f of 2 equal to, so 3 into, instead of x you have to say 2. So 3 into 2 plus 2. Okay, 3 2s are 6 plus 2. Okay, 6 plus 2 is 8. Okay, next. Third one is 3. When x equal to 3, you want to find f of 3. So f of 3 equal to, so same f of x, 3x. So 3 into 3. So 3 into 3 plus 2. 3 3s are 9 plus 2. Equal to 9 plus 2, 11. Okay. So now we got the value for first subdivision. Image of 1 is 5. Image of 2 is 8. Image of 3 is 11. So next line you want to write image of 1, 2, 3 are 5, 8, 11. That's all. Okay. Next second subdivision. Find the pre-images of 29, 53. So first one is image. So you have taken this given value is x. But here you want to find pre-image. So the given value is f of x. Okay. So f of x equal to 29. So 29. F of x equal to 29. So f of x equal to 29 means if you want to find the value of x, that is the pre-image of 29. So f of x, you know, f of x is 3x plus 2. So I am writing here 3x plus 2 equal to 29. Okay. Then 3x equal to 29 and 2 you take right hand side. So minus 2. Okay. 3x equal to 29 minus 2 is 27. So 27. So x equal to, next you want to find x value. So see the next step. Okay, x equal to 27. So 3 you take right hand side, it comes in denominator 3. So 1 3 is 3, 9 3s are 27. Are you clear? So x equal to 9. This is the pre-image of 29. You can't say the pre-image of 29 is 9. Okay. Then, so one more question. You want to find the pre-image of 53. So f of x equal to 53. So you want to find the value of x. Okay. So again, instead of f of x, you also write 3x plus 2 equal to 53. So now 3x equal to 2 you take right hand side. So what you get? 53 minus 2. Isn't it? Plus 2 if you are taking right hand side means minus 2. So 3x equal to 53 minus 2 is 51. Okay, now x equal to 51. 3 you take right hand side. So by 3. Now you simplify. 1 3 is 3. In 5 how many 3s? 1. Remaining 2, 21. So 7 3s are 21. So now you got the x value. X equal to 17. This is the pre-image of 53. Okay. So pre-image of 29 is 9. Pre-image of 53 is 17. Okay. Second part over. Next you want to find the type of function. Third subdivision is type of function. Okay, listen. So f from n to n is given. So domain is natural number. So codomain also natural number. Natural number starting from 1, 2, 3, etc. Okay, 1, 2, 3, etc. In codomain also you mentioned 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, etc. Okay. So first, when x equal to 1, we got one value in first part. X equal to 1 means we got 5, isn't it? So you mark this. X equal to 1 means f of 1 equal to 5. Next, when x equal to 2, we got 7. So 7 and 8. Rough the answer. So okay. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 2 8. Okay. Next, when x equal to 3, so that's value is here. You see 11. So 11 also here. So 8, 9, 10, etc. Okay, 11, etc. All the elements are there. Okay, now you see. So you want to find the type of function. Before writing type of function, you want to know the definition of each type. So one point function means so distinct element of A have distinct image in B means that is one function. Now you check whether it is one function. So okay, 1 to separate element 2, 3. Okay, that is satisfying. Then so it is one function. Again you want to set any other function. So onto function means every element that is range of f equal to codomain means we can say that is onto function. Here you see range of f. So some of the elements don't have pre-image, isn't it? So it is not onto. Next one more function is there, into function. Into function means range of f equal f equal to proper subset of codomain. Range of f equal to proper subset of codomain. So now you see, yes, that is satisfying. This is proper subset. So you can say the type of function is one function and into function. Okay, one function and into function. Okay. So if you want to know one onto means you see here. So one function example is A, B, F. This is 1, 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. This is one function. Okay. So onto function means so you see range of f equal to codomain, so it is onto function. Let's say into function means, so we can say this diagram into also. You see, so range of f so not equal to codomain, isn't it? So that means proper subset of codomain. So that is into function. Okay, so you can say this diagram is 1 and into function. Then both 1 and onto means that is bijective function. You see 1, 2, 3, 4. So here 1 separates. Okay, distinct element in A have distinct image in B. Then next onto means the range of f equal to codomain. So both are satisfying. So it is bijective. Okay. So then one more remaining one. Okay, now you see. So the elements. So 2 and 1 in A have same image in B. So okay, 2 elements, same image. This is many-to-one function. Okay. So this is about type of function. Okay, next problem. Question number 4. Find the value of k such that F composite G equal to G composite F, f of x equal to 2x minus k, g of x equal to 4x plus 5. This is the composition function. So you see, what is find the value of k? We want to find the value of k. So f of f composite z equal to z composite. Condition is given, both are equal. Okay. We want to find the unknown value k. Shall we find the value of k? So first you write the given condition. The given condition f composite g equal to g composite. So before that you want to write f of x, g of x value. Okay. F of x equal to 2x minus k. G of x equal to 4x plus 5. Okay, listen carefully. Very simple problem. So f composite, instead of f composite, we can write like this: f of g of x. Okay, f of g of x. You can say now right hand side g of f of x. Very clear? So instead of composites, I have written of. Okay, f of g of x. Here g of f of x. Now you want to apply the value of g of x here. F of g of x value, not value 4x plus 5. Okay, equal to g of, instead of f of x, I am going to write the f of x value. What's the value? 2x minus k. Okay. Next, now you see, so f of x. It is not x, but we are thinking it is x. So f of x means 2x minus k. Isn't it? F of x is not 2x. If in this place x means we are writing 2x minus k, but instead of x, what is here? 4x plus 5. So instead of this x, here we have 4x plus 5. So in right hand side also, you have to substitute this value here. So what is that? 2 into 4x plus 5. Remaining, what is there? Minus k. Okay, equal to. And right hand side also, g of x. G of x value is g of x equal to 4x plus 5. So instead of x, what is here? 2x minus k. So 2x minus k. So in right hand side also you apply, instead of x you also apply 2x minus k. Then what you get? 4 into, so you say the value of x, 2x minus k plus 5. Okay. Next step, multiply. We have to remove the bracket. 2 4s are 8, so 8x. 2 5s are 10, so plus 10 minus k equal to, here multiply. 4 2s are 8, so 8x. This is 4 into minus k, minus 4k plus 5. Okay. Now, so left hand side 1 8x, right hand side also 1 8x. We can cancel 8x, cancel. Okay. Remaining 10 minus k equal to minus 4k plus 5. So k you take in one side. Okay. Here minus k, minus 4k. If you are taking left hand side means plus 4k minus k plus 4k equal to, so already there 1 5. So this plus 10 you take right hand side to become minus, so minus 10. Okay, next line. So minus k plus 4k. So one number is minus, so subtraction. So before subtracting, you see the symbol of the greater number. The greater number is positive. So 4k minus k is 3k. 3k equal to 5 minus 10. 5 minus 10 is greater number is minus. First put minus, then you subtract. 10 minus 5, 5. Okay. So k equal to, we need k, so minus 5. 3 you take, right hand side will come in denominator. So minus 5 by 3. This is the value of k. Okay. Okay, next we can see next problem. Next question, question number 5. if the function f from R to R is defined by f of x equal to 2x plus 7 comma x less than minus 2. Next one is x square minus 2 comma minus 2 less than or equal to x less than 3. Next one 3x minus 2 comma x greater than or equal to 3. Okay, then find the values of first solution f of 4, second solution f of minus 2, third solution f of 4 plus 2 into f of 1. Okay, next fourth solution is f of 1 minus 3 into f of 4 by f of minus 3. Okay, so we can find what before going to do. You see the f of x. Here 3 f of x values given. First one is 2x plus 7. Second one x square minus 2. Third one 3x minus 2. Interval also given. So first I am going to write that f of x. So f of x equal to, first f of x is 2x plus 7 comma x equal to. So you see x less than minus 2. So x is 0, 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, okay, minus 3. Less than minus 2 means you should not take minus 2, less than minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, etc. Okay, next x square minus 2, f of x equal to x square minus 2. So here interval is in between minus 2 and less than 3. So minus 2, so you can take minus 2, next minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, less than minus 3, you should not take 3, okay. So minus 2, x equal to minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. Okay, then third one is f of x equal to 3x minus 2, comma x equal to x greater than or equal to 3. So 3 and more than 3. So you can check 3. So let's say greater than 3 is 4, 5, 6, etc. Okay, that's all. Now we are going to do the problem one by one. First solution is f of 4. f of 4. You see, when x equal to 4, so f of x value, see, 4 is a third f of x. So when x equal to 4, f of x is 3x minus 2. So now you have to use f of x equal to 3x minus 2. Instead of x, you want to apply 4. So f of 4 equal to, you say 3 into 4 minus 2. 3 4s are 12. So 12 minus 2. 12 minus 2 is 10. Okay. Let's say second one. F of minus 2. F of minus 2. So minus 2 is in second f of x. You see x square minus 2. So instead of x, you want to apply minus 2. So f of minus 2 equal to, so you say instead of x, you have to say minus 2. So minus 2 the whole square minus 2. So minus 2 the whole square means minus 2 into minus. Okay, minus 2 into minus 2. So minus into minus plus 2 2s are 4. So 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. Okay, 2 parts completed. Next, third one. Third one is f of 4 plus 2 f of 1. So f of 4 value already we got. F of 4 is 10. So next we want to find f of 1. Okay. So your third solution is f of 4 plus 2 f of 1. So first we need f of 4. Already we know the value. So I am writing directly f of 4 equal to 10. Let's see f of 1. So 1 is in second f of x. So instead of x, you have to say 1. 1 square minus 2. So 1 square minus 2. 1 square means 1 minus 2. So 1 minus 2, okay, greater is negative, so put minus plus 2 minus 1 is 1. So f of 1 value is minus 1 less 2. So actually we need 2 f of 1. So 2 into f of 1 equal to 2 into minus 1. 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. So okay. Now you add the value f of 4 plus 2 f of 1. So f of 4 plus 2 f of 1 equal to. So f of 4 value is 10. Let's say 2 into f of 1 value is minus 2. So equal to 8. So 10 minus 2 is 8. Okay, next we can find the fourth subdivision. So fourth subdivision is f of 1 minus 3 f of 4 divided by f of minus 3. Here we know the f of 1 value, f of 4 also we know. Then we need f of minus 3. Okay. So we can write say f of 1 minus 3 f of 4 by f of minus 3. Okay. First you have to write the value of f of 1. So f of 1 value is minus 1. So I write directly f of 1 equal to minus 1. Let's see f of 4. F of 4 value is 10. Okay, f of 4 value is 10. Then we need 3 into f of 4. Okay, 3 f of 4. 3 f of 4 equal to 3 into 10. 3 tens are 30. Okay. Next we need f of minus 3. So minus 3 is in first interval. So 2x plus 3 instead of x you want to say minus 3. So 2 into minus 3 plus 7. 2 into minus 3 is plus into minus. Okay, minus 2 3s are 6 plus 7. Now you see 6 is negative, 7 is positive. You subtract 7 minus 6. So greater is positive. So 7 minus 6 is 1. Okay. Now you substitute all the values in the given question. F of 1 minus 3 f of 4 by f of minus 3 equal to f of 1 is minus 1. So minus 1. Listen, minus 3 into f of 4 value is 30 divided by f of minus 3 value is 1. So 1. Minus 1 minus both are negative means first you have to put minus, then you add the value. 1 plus 30. 1 plus 30 is 31 divided by 1. So we can't leave the 1. So answer is minus 31. Okay. Next problem. Number 6. The function t which maps temperature in Celsius C into temperature in Fahrenheit F is defined by T of C equal to F, where F equal to 9 by 5 C plus 32. Find. So first subdivision is T of 0. Second subdivision is T of 28. Third one is T of minus 10. Fourth subdivision is the value of C when T of C equal to 212. T of C equal to 212. Then fifth subdivision is the temperature when the Celsius value is equal to the Fahrenheit's value. So for function is given. So f t of c equal to f. Okay, t of c equal to f. So one more line be given where f equal to 9 by 5 c plus 30. So instead of f, you can write the given value. The given value is 9 by 5 c plus 32. So now that t of c is 9 by 5 c plus 32. Okay. Now we can find one very easy. First one, t of 0. T of 0. So t of 0 equal to, instead of c, you have to say 0. So 9 by 5 into 0 plus 32. So 9 by 5 into 0 is 0. So 0 plus 32. 0 plus 32 is 32. First subdivision over. The second subdivision. T of 28. So T of 28 equal to 9 by 5. Instead of c, you have to say 28 into 28 plus 32. Okay, now we multiply 9 into 28. Okay, 9 into 28 is multiply 9 8s are 72, remaining 7. 9 2s are 18. 18 plus 7 is 25. So 252 divided by 5. Plus 32. So next you want to know to divide 252 divided by 5. Listen. 252 divided by 5. So multiply 5 5s are 25. Okay, 5 5s are 25. Subtract 0. Next you have to take the next digit 2. So we cannot divide. So you put 0. So how to take the next place? But here not there. So put point. Okay, 0. 4 5s are 20. So answer is 50.4. So 50.4 plus 32. Now we add it. 50.4 plus 32 is 50 plus 50.4 plus 32. So no whole number decimal. So you put 0. 4.28. Okay, are you clear? 82.4. Okay, let's start subdivision. What is the third subdivision? T of minus 10. T of minus 10. So, okay, instead of c, you say minus 10. 9 by 5 into minus 10 plus 32. Okay, now let's simplify. 1 5 is 5. 2 5s are 10. Multiply plus into minus. Minus. 9 2s are 18. So 18 plus 32. Greater is positive. 32 minus 18 is 14. So here you write with parentheses, okay? Degree parentheses here also. Okay, next fourth subdivision is the value of c when t of c equal to 200. So t of c equal to 212. So t of c means 9 by 5 c plus 32 equal to 212. Okay, now 9 by 5c, 32 inside right hand side, 212 minus, okay, plus becomes minus 32. Okay, 9 by 5c equal to 212 minus 32. So we will subtract 212 minus 32. 2 minus 2, 0. Here, bar 11, 11 minus 3 is 8, 1. So 180. So 180. That's c equal to 180. 9 by 5, let's say to right hand side, into reciprocal of that value, 5 by 9. So 1 9 is 9. Here, 2 9s are 18, 0. So 20 into 5 is 100. So 100 degree Celsius. Okay, fourth subdivision also completed. Next, fifth one. So what is given in fifth one? Celsius is equal to the parenthetic. So C equal to F. Okay, Aman? C equal to F or F equal to C. Otherwise, we can say let C equal to F equal to T or X, any one value. Substitute here. Instead of F, we are going to write C. Otherwise, instead of C, we also write F. Okay? T of C means F. What's the meaning of T of C? T of C means F. So instead of F, I am writing C. So C equal to 9 by 5 C plus 32. I told instead of C, you can take F. Otherwise, we can take T or X, anyone. Okay? Now you take 9 by 5 left hand side. C minus 9 by 5 C equal to 32. Take LCM there. 5 into C, 5C minus 9C divided by 5 equal to 32. Now we see 5C minus 9C. The data is negative, so minus 9 minus 5 is 4. 4C by 5 equal to 32. Okay, next we need only C. So C equal to 32. So that's minus 5. 4 by 5 you take right hand side. So into 5 by minus 4. Okay, into 5 by minus 4. Simplify. 1 4 is 4. 8 4s are 32. So C equal to minus 8 5s are 40 degrees. Okay. Now we can see some important 5-mark problem. I am writing exam plan essays numbers. So first one, example 1.3, exercise 1.4, question number 5, exercise 1.4, question number 6, first subdivision, second subdivision, third subdivision, fourth one, exercise 1.1, question number 7, first subdivision, second subdivision, 5, example 1.19, question number 6, exercise 1.4, question number 9, exercise 1.4, question number 10, 8th one, exercise 1.4, question number 12, example 1.15, unit exercise 1, question number 9. So 11th one is exercise 1.5, question number 3, 12, exercise 1.5, question number 2, 13, example 1.24, 14, exercise 1.3, question number 6, example 1.11, exercise 1.4, question number 2, so 20, exercise 1.5, question number 7, 21, exercise 1.3, question number 10, 22, example 1.9, 23, 1.1, question number 4, 24, exercise 1.5, question number 8, okay. So these are important 5-mark from first lesson. So okay, next day we can see the important 2-mark problem from same lesson. Okay, thank you.